Hey all, today we will look into Grok 3 update from Elon Musk's XAI. I'm going to test this Grok 3 with Xray app on Jira with custom test scripts written by me. Grok 3 was built in just 122 days. They are using 200,000 H100 GPUs that use power equal to a small city about 250 megawatts. Looking at the LM Arena leaderboard, Grok 3 is already at the top, beating other modules like Claude 3 and GPT-4. What's interesting is that this is just an early version called Chocolate available for testing. The model has something called DeepSearch, thinking of it as a super smart research helper that can search through thousands of sources quickly. That's what Elon Musk is climbing off. I already use this kind of features on Perplexity just for my personal researchers. They say when they combine this with their big brain mode, it can do amazing things from calculating space paths to making new type of games. Interesting. XAI has some exciting plans coming up. They're adding voice chat within a week, starting a gaming studio, and working on API access. They're even building a new system that's 5 times more powerful. And they say the model will keep getting better every single day. Now, let me show you hands on testing using LM Arena and my custom test suits in Jira with Xray. As you see on LM Arena, there is a direct chat option where the early Grok 3 chocolate version is available for us to test. I prepared a series of challenges to really push this model's capability just to see what it can do. I have my own sandbox of Jira instance where I created this test set and test executions. So this is a test executions which I created to test series of different things like simple maths, creative writing, basic physics, patterns, color manipulation skill, basic conversation, problem solving, maths, reasoning, regex, and visual output. So for the convenience of this demo, I've just opened it on new tabs. So the first test is to ask calculate the probability of measuring spin up in a 45-degree rotation state. So it's a simple maths. The expected answer is 0.5 or 50% with we need with the explanation. So let's see what it does. And based on the response, we pass or fail this test. So I'm a professional test analyst, so I'm going to approach this in corporate way. So look at that final answer. The probability of measuring spin up in 45-degree rotation state is 85.35. Wow. Let's ask Gemini 2.0 Flash. A 45-degree rotation state is an equal superposition of spin up and spin down. The answer, the probability of measuring spin up in 45-degree rotation state is 0.5. Look at that. That is right. So Gemini is right, is a wrong answer. So let's fail this test. Okay, that's a fail. The second one is the loop about creative writing. So this is the test case. Write a 50-word story where the ending creates the beginning. So basically it's a simple thing where the starting will be the same as ending. Okay, Alice spun the quantum wheel. So the act of measuring and resetting is the ending of one cycle and beginning of another. So in terms of narrative structure, yes, the ending does create the beginning in this. Okay, so I'll pass this. And then that is a pass. Okay, the next is to check the basic physics. Calculate the wavelength of middle C with this value in the speed. What we are expecting is 1.31 meters is the answer. And let's see. 1.31, 1.31, that is a pass. 1.31, let's pass this one. And the next one is the pattern matching. Create a sentence where first letter spells dream but last letter spell word. Okay. The valid sentence meeting both patterns. That's what we are expecting. So let's see. Look at that. That answer looks wrong to me. This is a fail. So 2 failed as of now. The next one, color manipulation skills. Okay, create a div that cycles through rainbow colors in CSS. So it gives a HTML and CSS. Let's check the result of this. Look at that. It's handling the color. That is kind of what we were expecting. So let's pass this one. It went to the rainbow colors. That is a pass. And the next one is basic conversion. Convert decimal 42 to binary and explain each bit value. So it should be 101010. Yes, as you see, 101010. So you can see that the binary number represent 10. So that's a pass. So the next test is stack game problem solving and algorithm implementation. So we need to ask implement Tower of Hanoi in Python with minimal code. The Tower of Hanoi is a classic mathematical puzzle. It's about moving a stack of disk from one rod to another following a set of rules, and we will get this is the actual answer. So let's try this. Okay, that's the output. We got the code and that is the output, like AC, A, B, C, B, A, C. Yeah, it's a pass. And the next one is math reasoning. So probability of drawing 2 aces from a deck without replacement. The probability of drawing 2 aces in a row without replacement is 1 but 221. Look at that. Probability of drawing aces 1 approximately 0.445. That's a pass. The next one is create regex for international phone numbers. We're expecting something to matching and non-matching cases with the numbers. Yeah, that looks good. That is a pass. And that is to see a visual output. I'm asking draw a DNA double helix using ASCII character. It's going to be something like this. And each LLM will have the UI. Based on the UI, the shape of that will be changing, but basically if it comes close to that, the answer is right. Yeah, that is right actually. I know the answer, that's a pass. So let's see the result out of 10. We got 8 passed and 2 failed. It's a simple quantum max which got failed and a simple word pattern which it got failed, and Gemini very well passed on it. So from what we have seen today, Grok 3 looks promising. While it's still new, it failed on a couple of my tests. It's exciting to see where this technology is going on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe me for more AI testing videos. Bye.